Baskover, this is Dutty and welcome to a brand new Do Road with Dutty. Now I'm at Reggae Sumfest 2018. My just reach is about after 12 and I can't wait for go and check out some of the performances. So follow up on me. Hey Joe, what going?
Yes, sir. We're there at Sumfest 2018. Wow, nice vibes.
Okay, so I missed a performance. Some of us want you to give me the rundown. How was it? How was it on? And how many times have you been on this stage?
The reception is, this is probably my fourth time, but the first time officially billed.
Yeah.
Fourth time because of collaborations, you know what I say? But it's a great feeling. I mean, it's a show, it's our festival that, you know, as it say, our music, our festival, it's really our festival that, you know what I'm saying, our premier festival.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So, I'm sure every artist want up on Sumfest at summertime, so it's a great feeling, you know?
Yeah. D-Major, I know that you've been around for quite a while now, but I realize that over the past 12 months or so, I think you've been stepping into your own more as, you know, an individual artist. You know, talk to us about that. Was that like a deliberate decision? Was it just the timing coming together and you're really finding yourself and your voice as a performer and an artist?
It's just, I think it's management. What that probably management. Big up King Yard, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, we make some moves and thing and like a chess game.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
you know, it a pay off and it a show, you know. So just plan to continue that for 2019 and beyond, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Because we have a whole heap of music for the people, you know what I'm saying? So it's up. It's escalator.
Okay, so last question. What is next for D-Major? When you look into the 2019, where you say movie, a magazine, where you say you're going to fashion, what new you have coming for the people?
All the above, you know. Yeah, man, I feel all of the above, you know what I'm saying? No limit, man. You know what I'm saying? Next week we start work on an EP, you know what I'm saying? We can't talk everything, but as I say, no limit. You see me as a 2019, above and beyond, you know what I'm saying? D-Major, escalator, quick 40. Less than 41, more than 39. 40 minutes to the done, birdie.
Wait, hold on, I keep on want to understand this quick something. What is this quick 40? Me see about the place, I just want to understand. Wait,
40, that's quick, man. 40 minutes, foreign life, man.
Quick 40.
Yeah, man, foreign life, 40 minutes to the done birthday. As me say, less than 41, more than 39. Suspense, quick.
You know, so the whole of dance on a reggae all. Bless up. Alright, so now I'm there inside what you call the press room. Now basically in this section you would have come inside and then I think you write down the list of all the artists where you want to interview for one little piece of paper. Come, let me show you how it go. Come, I'm sorry. Alright, so let's just follow. Okay. So I think you come somewhere along right here, so. And then you look one like this and you see all of the artists them. And then you just tell this nice lady over here, so. What's your name?
Sherry.
Sherry, and tell Sherry it's Airwa. I want to interview Governor. And Michelle and Tommy Lee and Spice, and you write down that and then put it on one little fancy technological something like this. And then when the artists come from around there, so you hope so you get in line so you can get to interview them. So let's come here. Oh hey, excuse, sorry, okay, sorry, okay. Yes, over here, so now like all of the artists them come after them done perform and then the interview them go on. So let me go see if I can find somebody and just chat to them.
As the man them play the road and them to work harder. Teaching you them how to grow because them need harder. We attention from the role model and a good father. Go back and listen here, thinking of the father.
Alright, so we get somebody else woke up when I'm a good friend, Shane, what on?
I'm here.
I'm gonna just ask this just because what bring you here?
The blue hair, of course. So you think I'm a Smurf?
Okay, so part of Team Spice.
Yes, sir.
So will you be on the stage later on?
No, because I cannot dance.
You must learn something, man.
No, me can't do nothing, man. Not even shake, me can't shake one leg.
You're not even catch your indicator and can move one side of Batija?
Indicator pop down still.
Show me one dance where Spice teach you.
Boy, me can't.
The eagle eye, something.
Boy.
Come on, Shane. No, man. You can't do Spice up. Alright, so tell me what you talked about the whole Spice drama with she and the girl at Tommy Love and Hip Hop?
I don't know her.
Shane, take care and enjoy the rest of the night.
I mean, watch him yesterday traffic and say this is a good look. This is a good look. I like how it feels. Because sometimes when you read the newspaper and when you watch the news, it paints a different different picture sometimes, you know what I mean? And so I want to say big up to Joe, Bogdanovich, and the entire Down Sound Entertainment family for bringing such a wonderful show to my babe, for lift the vibe in the summer, yeah, you understand? We are setting for the summer, right? And let me also thank the Honorable Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. I heard him myself say in Parliament that even though there is the state of emergency, a special arrangement has been made for Reggae Sumfest. So please give the Prime Minister a round of applause now. Because normally the dance will lock off already. But the fact that we're there, more everybody just stand up and know, say, like we said, good over evil, you understand? Oh, God bless no man curse. I'm going to pick up the whole of my beer right about now. You know my beer coming at my second yard. Tango and the mayor fit, my beer. Big up Tom man and big up to the JTB because we have a wonderful show lined up for you. Who go good so far? So get what one? Acting go on?
Yeah.
Bounty killer boy?
Yeah.
Well, here we go on, you know. You know, say me represent for the strong black woman, them, don't it? You know, say me say woman power, don't it? You know, say me say name one title, now catch a boy and the boy can't put me up, no. You know we say one a bank book, don't it? You know we say one of things, no. You know we say bride, no. You know me say clean like Jesus church shoes, don't it? Well, right about now, I have a next queen to come on the stage. All who know say the woman never go on the Reggae Sumfest, make some noise, man. Them girl go Atlanta with the air and never know if she grab up some. All of the girls we know the girl can beat you, that's a number one. But some Miss Kitty Blank right now. She have the goodie, steam fish with the okra body. Forever, Black Panther respect of the show, Black race is unstoppable, Black Panther forever, It's not no fix that is not fight. Black race is unstoppable, Black pop, bring a back baby, me not that shred that. My black son happy breed up a next black woman. Shut that later me a coda. Me love white man, Japanese and Indian. Proper black ear, black bloody black man. Them have the body, they will long like me and make gas will make light like rusty feet. Black panther, black body, black Wakanda. Fly to America, England and Canada. White man them come from Jamaica. Break and see them green man planter. Praise is unstoppable, Sumfest one. Them say me black, so me come out in a me Black Panther dress for them. Now me proud of me color. Let me understand Wakanda. Proud to be black. You know see Black Panther in a movie, right? Tonight you now go see him in a dance hall. Drop the next track for me, be ready. For the man a wine and a bubble, position up a jump, it's a jump, put a hug up and a bubble, and a wine up the body and a bubble. Body me a wine and a bump, and we back it up a jump and a bump. Wine pan the body and a sit down pan it. Put so tight so them a nav it. Phone take a picture you and lock your feet. Me a boom it and a cut it and the beat me just a drop it. It's working on a, and it come like the hammer. It's working on a. Yes, that's for me. man? He's a big man or he's a little boy? Because you look very young. He's a little boy or he's a big man? How much? 45. You are 45.
I want to wear my drink. I'm going to stop here too.
What is that sin? What is coming like sin? Drop it back again. What if you do when you do up here? What if you do with it? Because that's what it is. Oh, you come out and you can't manage me. You can't manage me. Oh, I say you want to
Alright, somebody at Sumfest and I don't know what go on during Spice performance, but some things are going Lord have mercy, some things are going back. Wow. Triple what go on?
It seems like the police want to perform, I don't know. I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know.
Wow. No, I'm staying away from war. I can't manage. No fighting at all. Spice is bad. She can go to jail. I'm not going at all. I'm not about that life. And if they lock me up tonight, I'm not coming out till next week. I can't do that. I have my radio show. You want more Spice? Go on. You want more Spice? Go on. When I say queen, you say Spice. Queen. Spice. Queen. Spice. Queen. Spice.
Tried hard, but I made mistakes. You're still by my side every step that I take. Through every heartache, and you get the praise. And you are my guide, I'm a shield always. Every time we are gaze, I pay hard days. You still show mercy, keep Rodney safe. Lord, I pray, I honor your name. Deliver.
Alright, well that's it people for this edition of The Road with Dutty. Big up and take care and see you next time.